Okay, class 3. In the last period, we have seen what is GUI, that is graphical user interface, and you have studied about operating system as well. Now, let us start from here. Remember, operating system acts as a manager of the computer. I have explained you how computer system acts as a manager and how it controls whatever that is computer is doing or is happening in it. Given below are some of the very popular operating systems: Unix, MS-DOS, MacOS, and MS Windows. Do you know there were no operating systems in early computers? Operating systems came into the computer field later, but they were accepted very quickly. Okay, so earlier computers were not having operating systems, they were very huge, but they had no operating systems. Now, useful tips: the keyboard should be near the height of your elbows and the mouse or trackball should be right next to the keyboard. This is a practical tip so that you don't get tired while typing or while working on the computer. Now, next is MS Windows. Whatever we are going to study after this, it will be shown to you practically as well. So kindly check out the videos properly, otherwise you will not understand. MS Windows. In the following pages, you will learn about the MS Windows operating system. It is the most popular software in the world today. Microsoft Corporation USA made this user-friendly system. When we switch on the computer, the operating system gets loaded in the computer memory, and this process is called booting. When you switch on the computer from the main power supply button and then you switch on the CPU, it takes little bit of time, few minutes or few seconds, for the computer to get loaded, the operating system to start, and that process is called booting. While your computer is booting, you see a picture of Windows flag as shown in the picture. I will show you practically what is Windows flag. MS Windows system is widely used by the people because of the following reasons. Why do we use and why it is so famous? Because programs are arranged in different folders and files, and they all have a specific name and picture associated to it, which we know as icons, like Paint, MS Word, etc. Then it is graphic based, means it is pictures based, images are there, so you do not have to remember all the commands as in some other operating systems like MS DOS, disk operating system. Okay, disk operating system. It has icons which help to do different things quickly. With the help of icons, we can do the things very quickly, just like you have seen in smartphones. Similarly, we have icons here as well, which help us to do our work very quickly, and it is very easy to use. When you will start using it, you will realize that it is very easy to use computer. William Henry Bill Gates is the founder of Microsoft Corporation. The first version of Windows operating system was developed in 1983. So we know him as Bill Gates. Usually you must have heard this name, Bill Gates. Now we know his complete name. Okay, desktop of Windows. Windows 7 is the most popular version of Microsoft Windows. As soon as the process of booting is completed, a picture is seen. This is known as desktop. Can you see this desktop? You must have seen this desktop in your computer system as well. Why it is called desktop? Because it is just like the table which we use. It's your study table. Like you can open your book, you can write there, you can draw there, and whatever that you can read there. So whatever that you are doing on the table, similarly for the same purpose we are using desktop. Whatever we will do on the computer, it will be done on the desktop. In case of Windows 7, the desktop consists of these components: desktop background, icons, taskbar, and gadgets. Can you see these pictures? These are gadgets. Now we will learn about each component in detail.